Okay, now we're going into really the stuff that you probably are really interested in seeing. I'm sure that you've at least found the information so far really interesting, but here's some of the best information, which is actually going ahead and then creating your own Bing ad. Now, what I will say is that from time to time, ads kind of changes their platform slightly, so maybe the look could change over time. However, at the same point, really the core basis of Bing ads stays the same. And regardless, I want to be showing you exactly how you go ahead and do this. Really showing you step by step how would I go about finding a brand new like keywords, and then on top of that too, then going ahead and actually creating an ad for that and show you exactly what that looks like and really everything that you need to know that goes into creating your own ad. And really during this time, I really highly recommend that you either stay with me as far as like going step by step, maybe creating your ad, or maybe you might want to wait until the end of this course just to make sure that you get as much value as possible, and then all the strategies that you've learned, then implement that then. Either way, if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Otherwise, I'm excited to show you how to get started on creating your own Bing ad. And if you're ready, let's get started.